How to fix Philips DreamStation 2 won't turn on or not working. Fix 1. Verify power connections. Ensure the power cord is firmly connected to both the device and the power brick. Plug the power adapter directly into a wall outlet, avoiding surge protectors or power strips, as these can sometimes interfere with power delivery. Confirm that the wall outlet is operational by testing it with another device. Fix 2. Inspect the power supply. Some power bricks have an LED indicator. If present, ensure it's illuminated when plugged in. If you have access to another compatible power supply, e.g., from a previous DreamStation model, try using it to determine if the original adapter is faulty. Fix 3. Perform a power reset. Disconnect the device from power for about 60 seconds. Plug it back in and attempt to power it on. Fix 4. Check for error messages. Remove the water chamber and empty it. Unplug the device from both the wall and the power brick. Remove the SD card if applicable. Reconnect the power brick to the device and plug it directly into a wall outlet. Power on the device. If the message persists, try a different outlet. Fix 5. Contact support. If the above solutions don't resolve the issue, reach out to Philips Restoronics customer support or your durable medical equipment (DME) provider for further assistance. Additional troubleshooting tips: examine the humidifier connection. Ensure the humidifier is correctly attached to the device, even if you're not using humidification. Check that there's distilled water in the chamber and that it's not overfilled. Confirm that the mask and tubing are properly connected. Avoid using power strips. Always plug the device directly into a wall outlet to ensure consistent power supply.